Hi, welcome to MasterCadx YouTube channel. Welcome to MasterCadx. Today, in last class, we have discussed the clamping plane. So today we are going to discuss it is the overflister. This overflister will be placed in this part over here. Okay, so you can see that part over here. So we will draw that design according to the given dimension. So now how to construct this one? First I will construct the circle, which is circle diameter is given, radius is 6, means 12 mm diameter, and half section I will draw this one, and I will go to the revolve. Half section means the distance is 5 mm. See that 5, and it is on piston. See, and I'll change the tool. The name is the unit. It is millimeter. Apply. Close. And sketch. The first I will construct the circle. It is 12 mm. Next from here I'll draw one line command and another line completely vertical and parallel to the axis. So this distance is the given, it is half section it is a 5 mm. The total is given 10, half means is a 5. So once I get this point, okay, so I require this point over here, I delete the remaining, so this part is not required. I will trim it here. So this, the unwanted part I am going to remove. So only this part I require. The next one, so this will be given, the distance you have to find it is 2 mm. So the dimension this one is 2. Next, so this distance you have to identify. So before that I will join this line directly, then I am going to find out that what is the actual distance. Next I will draw the another line from here, and we know that this distance is 6, it is a half of means it is 3. So from here to here is it is 3 mm. Now so this line is not required, this is I'm going to trim. Next this distance is given, the total distance was it is from here to here it is 7. So distance is 7. Next from here to this distance I have to identify. So now this total is 6 and this is 4, and 3 minus 2 is become it is 1 mm. And this will be it is given it is again 1 mm. And you have to close because obviously it is 2 mm model, and you close the profile. So my section is over. I finish the sketch I'll go to the revolve command. This is my plane and axis will be this one. Press OK. Now there is a one slot, you can see that it is screwed up. Out here there is a slot. The slot size is equal 2 by 2. Now how to construct this one? So I will select the plane. There is a middle over here. So from the origin I select the plane. Okay, you can see this. It is a middle. Now using this one I create a sketch. So first I will convert it to the wireframe mode. Using this one I will construct. There is a and before that I will go to the project geometry and highlight this line. This is very important. Now I will construct a rectangular by 2 point and similarly the distance is given 2 by 2. So this is 2 mm. Okay, and the tangent of this line is equal, and this distance is this distance is 2 mm, and this distance to over here, it is 1 mm. It should be middle. Finish the sketch, extrude, cut, both direction, and distance is 1. Okay, now I will go to the view command and in shaded view, this is my diagram. I will change it as a material. So you know there is a material is a mild steel and apply this. Okay, this is a final object. In next video we are going to discuss the remaining, that is set screw and set screw to array in a single video.